In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Canva account email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your Canva projects stay connected to the right inbox. First, open Canva. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. It helps to have access to both your current email inbox and the new email you plan to use, since you'll be asked to verify ownership. Once Canva is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens your account menu. If you don't see your photo, it might be your initials inside a circle. That works the same way. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Canva keeps all your account details and preferences. Inside Settings, locate the section that shows your current email address. Next to it, click Edit. Canva will start a quick security check to make sure it's really you making this change. Check your current email inbox for a message from Canva containing a verification code. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment, then refresh your inbox. Also look in your spam or promotions folder, just in case it was filtered. When the email arrives, copy the code and return to Canva. Paste or type the code exactly as shown, then submit it to confirm your identity. This step protects your account and prevents unauthorized changes. After you've entered the code successfully, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Type it carefully to avoid typos. One wrong character can send important notifications to the wrong place. If you're switching to a work or school email, make sure you still have ongoing access to that inbox, especially for future password resets and billing notices. When you're confident the address is correct, confirm the change on screen. That's the entire process. Open Canva, click your profile picture, go to Settings, choose Edit next to your email, enter the code. Canva sends to your current inbox, and then enter your new email address. Your login email will update, and your projects, designs, and pro subscription, if you have one, will remain linked to your account. A couple of quick notes. If your Canva account is managed by an organization or team, you might see that the email field can't be edited. In that case, your admin controls this setting. Also, if you still don't receive the verification code, double-check you're looking at the correct inbox and that you're connected to the internet. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Canva account email with just a few clicks.